Introducing the 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.